Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB on all platforms, and I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark as well as eBay. So on this channel you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from what sold videos to hauls to thrifts and some tips and tricks along the way. So if all that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can see more of my videos. Okay, so today's video is the part 3 and finale of my liquidation unboxing, which is 3 boxes of women's coats. I've already opened 2 of the boxes. I will link the playlist above for you to check out if you haven't already seen them. So in the following video, because I pre-recorded this a while ago, I'm just now making this video, intro and outro. It is going to be the 3rd part of the box. At the end of this video, I am going to add kind of a summary of how the sales with these items have gone since I've started listing them, like projected profits. All those details will be at the end. So if you want to check that out, stay tuned to the end of the video. But to begin, let's go ahead and watch me unbox the last box of Liquidation New with Tags women's coats. Okay guys, welcome back. This is part 3 of my coat liquidation order. They are New with Tags coats. It should be 50 women's coats, but I have had some I've had other sexes, and I'm pretty sure it's 51 coats because each box says there's 17 coats in the boxes. So that is 51 if my math is correct. And I'm pretty sure it is because I just did it on the box with multiple. I wrote it out. I'm pretty sure. So just to start off with, as I said in the last 2 videos, if you're here to see where I got this lot from, then you might as well just, skip on out because I will not be sharing that. And if you're mad about that, I understand, but you don't have to watch the video. I'm telling you at the beginning, just FYI. Okay. So, spoiler, if you didn't see the other videos, if you haven't, you should. I will link them above. These have been amazing. I'm pretty excited about it. So something I didn't mention in the other 2 videos is I actually bought this lot, and it turns out it was sold out, and they were like, but we're going to get a new shipment in a couple weeks. Or it was actually 1 week. They said a couple, but it was 1 week. And if you wait for it, that's fine. Or if you want to cancel. And I said, well, I'll just wait. Glad I did. Anyway, this is shiny. And it is... Oh, Mark, New York. Okay. Mark, New York. That's expensive, isn't it? Or am I thinking... I think it is expensive, but the resale is not normally good. This is like a shiny trash bag. But it is a puffer. A lot of puffers. That's exciting. Where's the tag? Are we not new with... Oh, yeah, we are new with tag. This retailed for $200. $200. It does say, please recycle. Well, I'll do that, sir, by reselling it. Comfort style all day, every day. I don't know why I like to read the slogans. I just find some of them funny. But there is it's not really the tag. Here's the inside of the jacket. I have had this brand before in the past. Not done that well, but I'm pretty happy with this style. Maybe the color. It's an interesting color. Is this rose gold or copper? I don't know. But new tags. Can't complain about that. Okay, this is a pretty color. It's like a plum wine. This looks fancy. Even the buttons have covers on it. I feel I'm gonna butcher this. Avec les filets. Filets? I don't know how to speak French. But it means with the girls. In Francais, as it says. So yeah, it is extra large. Loving the sizes. This is like wine coat. Oh, is this a trench? Yeah, with these gold buttons, and the buttons have like saran wrap on them. This is nice. This is like fancy. Like you're posh and live in London or France. It says take care on the inside. Anyway, it's wool, polyester, nylon, acrylic, and rayon. Just all of it. It's got all of it. This is really nice. This should do really well. If not, I can't wear it because I live in a very warm area, 1, and 2, wool makes me itch, but it's nice. So far, not mad at this box either. So here's a Sam Edelman puffer that we got in the last box, I think. This one's a size small. And, oh, is there another one? Oh, okay, well, I'm not excited about getting so many of these. Maybe it'll do well, who knows. So I'm sorry if I didn't say, this is the third one of those Sam Edelman coats. This one is in a size also small. There's something white, which could be scary. Ooh, and this thing is Theory. So, I mean, Theory is a really expensive brand, and this is new with tags, but you're just not going to get as much money as you think you should, especially since this retailed for $695. Bananas. That's bananas. I've said that a lot, but yeah, and it's just a white, I was gonna say like a, it looks like a doctor's coat. It's white. More maybe a cream, I don't know. It's zipper coat. It does kind of look like a doctor's coat. I'm gonna insert a picture if I remember and I can find it, because that looks weird. You know, new tags Theory, but I'm not mad about it. I'm just saying, like, it's disappointing how little you can get from new tags Theory. Okay, what this? I don't know this. I don't know a lot of these brands. This is Mackage Montreal. Mackage. Extra small. Another puffer. This is a puffer pea coat. I'm gonna assume this retails for a lot, because look at this button. It's like button pouch. It's rubber. Like, who does that except a brand that costs a lot? Oh, it's duck down. It feels fancy. I'm gonna assume this costs a lot of money. It doesn't have the price, but I'm gonna assume it was expensive because it feels expensive. Like, it feels, this is nice material. I mean, I can tell this is nice material. This feels really nice, guys. So I'm excited about this, even though I don't know what it is. Ooh, this is real leather with a zipper. Ooh, and a leather trim. I'm gonna go on a limb and say that costs a lot of money. Anyway, okay. All right. Next we have the North Face. Not mad about finding that either. Size medium, puffer. It's a lot of puffers. New tags. It's a parka. Puffer parka, $299. Wow. All right. They're lovely little box. I want 800 of them. Okay, we have a blank NYC. Is this real leather? I always tell by the price tag. I'm gonna assume it's not, because it doesn't look like it costs that much comparatively. Tis not. It is faux leather. So I've sold those before and they do okay. Is that the same thing? Yeah. Okay. So I'm assuming they didn't do the best box first. But there are some good stuff in it. But this is another one of those jackets, faux leather, blank NYC. This one's an extra small. Oh, and here is another one of those Topshop mustard jackets in a size 6. Oh God, and we have another one. Getting a lot of repeat in this box. And this is a size 2. Okay. Be something cool. What's in with a bang? What is this? This feels nice. This is blank NYC as well. Size medium, but it's like a pink snakeskin. Feels nice. So, you know, it's also a fake snake sand, of course, but it's pretty cool. Feels nice. End on a bang. Come on. Oh, here's another one of those gallery jackets. This one is a very royal purple trench parka, the Heritage Collection. This is in blackberry. But this is cool too. I'm sorry, I'm throwing stuff over there. Alright, I want something cool, guys. I want to end on something cool. Well, Sam Edelman. It's a different Sam Edelman, size 12, retail for $295. Okay, and it is a peacoat. I'm assuming wool because it's making me itch. Let's see. Yep, 56% wool, making me itch. It's cream colored, so that's cute. A lot of people like them neutrals. Okay. You know, for a liquidation lot, I haven't got that many Nordstrom house brands to say that this is one. Treasure and Bound. Extra small, but it's kind of like a jacket. A jacket parka. It's cute. Not mad about it. $109. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay. All right. Top Shop. Again, got like a moto jacket that's faux leather. All right. So this is the last jacket. I don't know if I'm ending on a good note because I've never heard of this brand. Bernardo. It's eco-minded. Got a lot of eco-friendly brands in here. Retail for 150 bucks. So, man. Okay, so, I mean, this is not a bad box, but I think I like the other two better. This is a good box, but those other ones are great boxes. I mean, unless one of these that I didn't know the brand are outrageously expensive. So, all right, and that was the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So what's funny is I realized in that video I look kind of down, like disappointed by that third box, like, oh, it's not that great. It's funny, it ended up having like the most profitable coat in that box. I just didn't know it. I do discuss it in the video that it looks like really good quality, and it's actually this coat that I'll post right here by Mackage, as I think you pronounce it. I had never heard of this brand before, but it is a very high dollar brand. This coat retailed for around $800, and as you can see, I sold it for $485. Making it my second largest sale ever on Poshmark, like for one item. So that was actually a very good sale. I'm thrilled about that. It took like a month and a half to sell. Yeah, so even though I look a little disappointed in that last box, it was a pretty awesome box. I think I also got a couple of other really good things. Silly Amanda should not have been upset by that box. It might have been the best box out of all of them. But anyway, what I will do right now is go ahead and give you like a little bit of a breakdown of the box. Well, I'll give you a little bit of a breakdown of the items, the items I've already sold, and you know, the profits I've already made from this box. So I finished listing these coats probably the first week of December. I think it definitely was the first week of December because I finished listing them before I went on vacation. What's funny is then I turned off my closet for a week. So, you know, they've roughly been listed for about a month and a half, no less than a month and a half, like maybe a month and a week. And in that time I have sold, and excuse me, I'm going to be looking at my screen, it's off camera, but I have sold 16 of these coats for a total sales of $1,954. So almost $2,000 I have already sold with 16 coats. That's crazy. That is an average cost of good of about $122. Now, I did sell a lot of the big ticket coats. Like I said, the high dollar Mackage, I sold that for $485. Second highest sale was that Save the Duck down coat for I think $245. Yes, and so that was a high dollar sale. That Madewell leather coat went for $200. Another $150, I think, for the Caslon leather coat. The North Face sold for like $170 something. It was a lot of really good sales. So like I said, the gross amount of sales was $1,954. Now, Poshmark, I've always sold these on well, no, that's not true. That is not true. I think I've only sold one coat on eBay because I just started listing on eBay again in January. I think I've only sold one coat on eBay, but the rest of them were sold on Poshmark. And, you know, for eBay, I did around the same amount of fees. So taking out fees, so what I deposited in my account after selling these coats was $1,563. Now, I will tell you that is already more than I paid for the box. In fact, my profit so far, taking out fees, taking out cost of goods, but I will tell you, not taking out taxes. So I will have to set aside a portion of this for taxes. But anyway, taking out cost of goods, taking out fees, I have made $637 on this box already. And that is only, again, selling 16 of the coats. I have 35 coats left. 35 coats because, you know, they gave me an extra coat for some reason. So 35 coats left. That's pretty crazy and pretty awesome. I did add up like how much I have all the 35 coats listed for. Now, these were not what they will sell for, and it is not with fees and taxes taken out, but what they are listed for is over $3,200. So, I mean, I don't know how long it'll take me to sell these coats, and I don't know really what they will sell for, but I have potential to make a ton of profit on this. So, this was a really win liquidation item already. But just thinking of something to start off with, a coat liquidation order might be the best bet. Now, I will say there are some cons to coats. For example, they will take up a lot of space. Like, coats take up a lot of space. I mean, those were 3 very large boxes just for 51 coats. I mean, I've gotten liquidation before, and it's been a box about that size of like hundreds of items. So coats take up a lot of space, so you got to think about storage. The other negative to coats is it is kind of a seasonal sale. I mean, I sell coats all year round, but yes, it is going to be a bulk of your sales are going to be in the fall and winter because that's when people are buying coats. So potentially, like the coats that are left over, like I said, I have 35 left. I might not sell a lot of them until next year again because we're already in January. So at the end of January. So who knows? I might be holding on to a lot of these until next year because I didn't really start listing these until the end of November, beginning of December. So that is a con, storage, and it might be storage that you have for a while. So those are things that you want to take in consideration if you're thinking of buying liquidation coats. But just from my experience, they do seem to be a very profitable investment for liquidation. So, you know, I'm not saying it's a definite because it really just depends, but you know, if I was going to give advice to start off with liquidation, it might be coats. But anyway, guys, that is my liquidation order. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about liquidation, you can hit me up in the comments or check me out on Instagram and send me a DM. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like if you did, so I know that you liked the video. Go ahead and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. There will be more liquidation coming up in the future, as well as other resale related content. And I hope you guys are having a good sales week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.